description.
That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got this. This is from CG, and this is YY, hot and spicy, quick instant noodles. Somebody sent me a message. And, yeah, so, here we go. Oh, that's chicken. That's chicken. I need, not the chicken, but this. So we're going to add everything in. Here is the vegetable. We're going to add everything, but, see, there was a vegetable stash. I'm like noticing that when I did my when I got the post outlines ready, that we're like missing a couple pictures, which is not fun. That means I have to go back and do more work. I was kind of in a rush yesterday, and I had to do it over two parts of time. But I have another. This is the one that I took pictures of, and then I've got the one in the pack, so I can dismantle the pack and take the pictures. But we'll see. I've got a person who is in need, and I've been furnishing them with extra noodles that I don't use for review stuff, but yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen on this one. Sorry. I don't know how much they even like spicy. I don't even know these people. Whoa, flying noodle. But yeah, it's August 18th, 2025. I guess Trump and Volodymyr Zelensky and a bunch of EU leaders are all meeting up. I think it's kind of really weird. I don't know. If I had a country and somebody invaded me, here, let's fix, and somebody was like, well, the way we can fix this is just like, you can give the foreign power that invaded you, just give them what they want. That'll make it easy, and then we can say there's peace. It's like, no. I think probably the fix that Zelensky would like is for Russia to leave and take all their garbage with them and leave it nice and clean and not bother them anymore. I think the Russians honestly would like that too. At least the people. I don't know why. It's like, dude, it's the 21st century. Why do we even have wars anymore? I don't understand. Yeah, I'm doing all these varieties soup style today because I feel like it. We're starting to have cloudy days. It will be soup weather soon. At least for me. It is for you. You're in what? January 8th? This should be coming out? That's ridiculous. It really is. I think, oh yeah, I ordered a noodle. I ordered a new bulldog variety since we're doing hot and spicy stuff. It's sweet bulldog. I don't know when it's going to show up, but it'll be out by the time you see this. I'm going to do that one like right away because it's like, I don't know. It's something to do. I just feel like I ought to put a rush on that one. I already did the taco one. That'll be for, oh, I've still got to do a mukbang for that. It's really hard for me to get in the mindset of like, hey, let's do a mukbang. I really want to do a mukbang. Maybe next month. I don't know. I mean, it's like, it's not like I don't have plenty of time. The taco mukbang is supposed to come out on January 1st, so it shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, I've been really enjoying this Meet the Manufacturer series. I haven't done it in a long time, and it's fun. It's like these are all different variations on a theme. That's kind of how it works with instant noodle companies. They've got like, say like 8 or 9 different varieties, and there are similarities with all of them. There are differences with all of them, and it's neat to see how they create their ranges. So yeah. Oh. So I got a, my sister gave me a hand-me-down phone. She gave me a Galaxy Note 9. I had a Galaxy 9 Plus that had all the MP3s on it that I play the background music for the show on and for when I'm walking around. But I didn't really have a case for it, for the new one. So here's the new one. And it's a weird case. The brand name is Spec. It's very grippy. It's got bumps on it. But it's kind of neat. It took a little while. It took like a week to get here. I ordered it on Amazon. But it was like $5. That's reasonable. For my Spec case. Alright. Now, here's our noodle. And now we add our liquid base. And we stir it in. Hot and spicy flavor. It could be anything. But let's see, they had the spicy cheese, they had the hot, now they got the hot and spicy, and there was the dynamite one that I did the other day, and that was really hot. But the thing that differentiates these from their general range, or the noodle's thicker. Usually their stuff doesn't take like 5 minutes to cook. Usually it's like 2 to 3 minutes, so. Let's give it a try. Really like the noodle. Look at that broth, though. Look at the oiliness on that. It's very oily. It reminds me a bit, it's kind of like a Korean style hot and spicy. That's what I'm getting out of that. And it's good. It's, I like the oiliness of it. I like the flavor. It's kind of like a, I think I'm getting a mushroomy bump from it. Yeah, let's use this bowl. This is a tricky one because the oiliness, it may, if I don't pour it correctly, and if I don't, ooh, gently now. And when I carry it over to the place where I take the nice pictures, if I'm not careful and it goes, then there's extra work for me. Yeah, let's do this one. And instead of just throwing a slice of sauteed chicken on it, I'm going to kind of shred it a little bit. Well, the word shred is doing a lot of heavy lifting here, but maybe not too much. I like that. Okay. And now, we have eggs. Those did pretty good. So with eggs, see this bottom here? It's got that little divot going on. I hate that. It drives me nuts. What I've found is that if you have eggs that just kind of like sit there when you're boiling them, you definitely get that. So the trick is to keep them in motion while they're in any hot liquid when you're soft boiling them. They could have used a little less time. It's funny, sometimes they get really goopy and sometimes they don't. And also, I think it depends as well on how cool they get in the fridge. There's like, eggs are kind of delicate. Kind of. A little more. I do know I need to get more scallions. A little bit of seed. And why not? This is like one of my favorite things. I'm gonna have to get more of my favorite things too. But it's lasted quite a while. This pepper thread. Anyway. Rotato, do your stuff. Well, now we get something completely different. Whoops. Play. So we're doing stuff that you normally would have chicken with and things like that. Now we have this YY Tom Yum shrimp flavor. I really like Tom Yum, and I don't know that I've ever had a Tom Yum from Nepal, so That's exciting. And that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment to your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.